to find the inverse. I'm going to rewrite this as y equals, and you know what, since this is a negative exponent, I know I'm allowed to flip the whole thing and make the exponent positive. Then we still have minus 3. So this is just rearranging the equation. And now we're going to start doing the inverse after this. To do the inverse or find the inverse, we always change y to x and x to y. So inversing the x and the y, basically. So that's 4y minus 1 over negative 6 to the power of 3 minus 3. Algebraically, now I'm just going to move the negative 3 to the other side. So I'm going to have x plus 3 equals 4y minus 1 over negative 6 to the power of 3. Cube root both sides to get rid of the cube in here so that we could start isolating the y that way. So when we do this, what we're going to do, we're going to get the cube root of x plus 3 equals 4y minus 1 over negative 6. Of course, the cube root here will cancel the cube. I'm going to take this negative 6 here and cross multiply it into here. So just get the negative 6 is just going to go right there. So negative 6, the cube root of x plus 3 equals 4y minus 1. Now I'm going to move the negative 1 to the other side. So it's going to become negative 6 cube root of x plus 3 plus 1 equals 4y. Yeah, now I'm going to divide both sides by 4 and by 4. So now we isolated the y. And when it's the inverse, instead of y, we write g to the negative 1 of x. It cancels, of course, equals negative 6 the cube root of x plus 3 plus 1 all over 4. Definitely, this is a tough question for a grade 10 student. But tough questions make you smarter.